everyone! Welcome to Knowledge Quest. I'm Miss Ashley, and today I have a fun project for us to do together. We're going to see if we can turn this boring black paper into a paper filled with tons of fun colors by using science and a little bit of clear nail polish. Now, why does this happen? Our rainbow paper is possible because when you dip it in the water, it gets covered in a thin layer of nail polish, and that causes a phenomenon known as thin film interference. And when you tilt the paper, the light hits it at different angles, causing all those different colors we see. It's the same effect that you see with bubbles or when oil and water mix on the road. Now, let's read a book about some of the rainbows around us. We're going to be reading a shortened version of Let's Make a Rainbow by Chris Ferry. While playing outside, Red Kangaroo notices a rainbow in the sky. "How beautiful," she says. "I wonder if Dr. Chris will know what makes all those colors." Do you think Dr. Chris will know? "Dr. Chris," says Red Kangaroo when she gets to the lab, "can you tell me what makes a rainbow?" "That's easy," Dr. Chris replies. "All it takes is water and light." "No way," says Red Kangaroo. "Please show me." "Sure," says Dr. Chris. "But first, you need to know about optical physics." "I need to teach you how light moves," says Dr. Chris. "Light always travels in a straight line." "A straight line?" cries Red Kangaroo. "That's so boring. I like to bounce all around." Now imagine light hits a smooth or shiny surface, like a mirror. "What do you think happens to the light then?" Dr. Chris asks. "The light bounces back," says Red Kangaroo. "Exactly. That is called reflection," Dr. Chris says. But mirrors aren't the only things that help reflect light. Every object we can see reflects light. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to see them. Light can also bend and change direction as it passes through an object. This is called refraction. The different colors we see are created when light bends at different angles. The best way to see this is with a glass prism. Have you ever looked through a glass prism? "I don't have a prism at home," says Red Kangaroo. "But I've seen light bend when I use a straw in a glass cup. Do you see how that bends right there?" "Great example, Red Kangaroo," says Dr. Chris. "The easiest place to observe light refracting is when light goes into water." When it rains, sunlight passes through raindrops, and all the different colors break apart in the raindrops. That's because the light is refracting. "Exactly," says Dr. Chris. "Then some of that light is also reflected." "Inside the raindrop?" asks Red Kangaroo. "That's right," replies Dr. Chris. And then the light refracts a second time before coming out of the raindrop as a beautiful rainbow, cries Kangaroo. "But what if it's not raining?" Red Kangaroo asks. "Is there a way I can still make a rainbow?" "Sure you can," Dr. Chris says. "With a water hose, we can watch the sunlight reflect and refract." "Yay! Now I know how to make my own rainbow," says Red Kangaroo. "Thanks for teaching me optical physics, Dr. Chris." Look how cool! Have you ever made a rainbow with a hose at your own home? The end.